Hi everyone, my name is Neulpum Jeong, and I am a teaching assistant of the um, this class. And actually, I'm in the second semester of the graduate school, majoring in the statistics and the data science now. So actually, I was also in the UIC and Haas division and QRM, and I double majored in applied statistics when I was in undergraduate school. So if you have any question about the same career about or anything about the graduate school, do not hesitate to contact me. And as well as any kind of the question about statistics itself. So, um, okay, so what they're going to do today is nothing but just installing two programs, which is our programming and our studio program. So are if you already know about how to install those kind of programs, you can skip this video. Or I think for the attendance check, you don't you 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 must not skip, but I think you can just pass this video. Well, mm, so in addition to installing those kind of programs, we are going to do open the CSV file in our programming. That is just what I'm going to do today. So it will be very short for today's TA class. So for installing our program, actually, you don't have to follow my process exactly because yeah, so if you enter in this site and you go to the you just find let's just find out the Korean site here. And because I'm using a window as a OS, so I will enter this site, but it depends on your OS. So if you are using Mac, you have to enter this second link. So mm, you have to download this one. Sorry for waiting for some moment. And then I recommend that you use the English version for some convenience in this semester. So I'm not sure about this option, but let's do let's keep it in default option. Actually, it doesn't take so long time, so I just thought that I can show the process of installing two programs in one video shortly. So let's finish it. So and actually it means that we finish it installing our programming in our own laptop. But actually, if you are using our program very conveniently, we have to use another program, which is our studio. It is nothing but just a kind of environment program in which we can use our program here. So you also have to go to the website for the RStudio. Maybe you can refer to any other site for that thing. Yep. So, oh, this is about the R program site. So we have to go to the our studio site, not our site. Yeah, here. There is a button for installing, downloading our studio, so maybe here. And because we already have done with downloading the R programming, we go to this button. It also takes for a while. So actually, if you already completed installing this kind of two programs, actually there is nothing to do today for you. So do not be pressured. So I mean, do not be pressed now. And in this semester, especially for my TA session, we are using R programming. So after you learn in Professor Park's about the Park's lecture about the statistics, I mean theoretically, we just realized the theoretical background in R Studio. So yeah, after opening the file, we can install the R Studio also here in our own laptop. So the reason why we use R programming or R Studio is that we are using, because this is nothing but the fundamental class, which is the introduction to statistics. So there will be no advanced thing about programming itself, but we are just dealing with we are going to deal with some fundamental or basic R code or R grammar. So yeah, this is that it is completed. So I will upload all the R files required for our R practice. So if you already uh, if you download this R file as well as this R data Excel file, it's done. So because we downloaded the RStudio programming, we can open this with the RStudio program. So it says that it is composed of 4 panels actually. Yeah, actually 4 panel. The left upper panel and left below panel and right below panel, right upper panel. So the first panel is about the entering our R code, the panel for entering our R code, and the second one is that I'm not sure about this usage of this panel, but I think we can see the result or see the process of our programming, and the upper right panel is about checking our storage, our environment. So if we store our own variable, we can see the list of the variable or our own things in this environment panel. And below right panel is about checking the plot or package or etc. So you can see you can use this very in various usage. So I will do until these 2 lines in this class, today's class. So mm, actually, because we have a our data file, I mean Excel file here, we have to open our own Excel file in our studio program. So and these two lines code is about opening the Excel file, actually CSV file in this R Studio. So mm, so and please keep in mind that there will be no more opening the our Excel file because we are going to open the CSV file only in the chapter 2. So if you feel somewhat problem, so if you feel somewhat difficult, so you don't have to be worried about that because we open CSV file only in the chapter 2 file, chapter 2 class. So um, do not be worried about anything. So and before reading our CSV file, we have to set our working directory with the setwd function. So this is the abbreviation of setting working directory function. So this is a path. So we have to find out our own path. So it depends on your laptop. And you can see that your own laptop in C drive. And yeah, actually I have R folder here in the C drive in the program files folder. And we have I have a R folder here. So I set my working directory in this path. So in C drive, in program files folder, and R folder. So you can run the code with the uh, Control and Enter key at the same time. So you can see that the working directory is set here in this left below panel. So because we set the working directory in this R file, we have to put our CSV file in the folder. Like here, yeah, it is already here. So it says that it means that we have a data CSV file in R folder in C drive. I mean, in program files folder in C drive in my own laptop. And if I say again, it depends on your own laptop and your own path. So do not be confused. This is my own path for um, storing storing my own data CSV file. So after putting the CSV file in my R folder, we can finally read our CSV file, read the CSV function. So this is the name of the CSV file. It has to be data because my file name, but my name, so the name of the CSV file is data. So I put the name exactly same as the thing with the header true option. And it means that I will read the CSV file and store it in the DAT variable. So DAT, which is a data, which means maybe data, is just my own name. So you can set any name here because this is my own name. So after running the code, you can say that we have a data here, which means that we successfully read our own CSV file. And it means that we can run all the code here because we finally successfully opened our own CSV file. So So you can, it means that you can run all the code like this one. So if you run this code, you can see that it is composed of tons of data here. And if you run this code, which is a view function, it means that it open another table in RStudio. So you can check the shape of the data table and etc. And or dim function or head function, tail function. You can see all the result in the left below panel. So I will actually deal with the other codes in this chapter 2 file in next week. So what you have to do today is just opening our CSV file successfully. And I say again that this kind of opening thing, the CSV file, and with complicated setting the working directory here, is only for this chapter 2 practice. In the other practice, we will not do this kind of complicated thing, so do not be worried about too much. So yeah, and then for the convenience or for the for the convenience, I will explain briefly in Korean language also. 그래서 결국 오늘 한 거는 사실 뭐 다 스킵해도 되고요. R 프로그램이랑 R 스튜디오만 깔았다면 스킵을 해도 되고, 결국은 저희가 가지고 있는 CSV 파일을 여는 게 목적입니다. 그렇기 때문에 자기 컴퓨터에 맞게 패스만 설정해주고 working directory 펑션으로, 그리고 데이터 이름을 가진 CSV 파일을 열겠다. read CSV 펑션으로, 그리고 그거를 DAT라는 뭐 제가 만든 변수에 저장하겠다 라는 뜻입니다. 이게. 그래서 DAT를 가지고 뭐든지 계속 할 수 있는 거예요. 여기서 이거를 당연히 다른 이름으로도 바꿀 수 있겠죠. 예를 들면 A라던가 B라던가. 어쨌든 그렇게 하시면 되고요. R이랑 RStudio 깔 때는 저는 윈도우여서 윈도우 했지만 맥 쓰시는 분은 다르게 해야 되고요. 그 방법은 사실은 구글링 하시면 다 나오니까 천천히 생각을 해보시면 되겠습니다. So I explained the same thing for installing R programming and RStudio in Korean language, and as well as opening the CSV file in our own laptop in RStudio program. So have a good day and see you next time.